How to see Instagram hidden message requests. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to see Instagram hidden message requests. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, to see Instagram hidden message requests, tap on the message icon on the top right of your screen and further tap on the requests option you see there. You will then see the option for hidden requests. Tap on that, and in this interface right here, you will be able to see all the hidden requests on your Instagram. So, this is how you can see Instagram hidden message requests. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end. See you on the next one.